A dynamic new acquisition has taken place between two of Queensland's leading marine businesses, which is set to redefine capability across marine infrastructure, vessel maintenance and waterfront construction across the state. The Yard Brisbane and Todkill Marine Services are pleased to announce a new strategic venture. Combining world-class marine facilities with more than 5 decades of specialist expertise, the partnership delivers greater capability, uncompromising quality, enhanced technical support and increased project capacity, setting a new benchmark for marine infrastructure and vessel support across Queensland.
We are delighted and privileged to partner with Todkill Marine Services. The deep technical expertise that Phil has built up over the years in his business perfectly complements our shipyard capabilities. This partnership cements and perfectly positions us to deliver greater reliability in marine services and greater value to our customers in the future.
The partnership is specifically designed to elevate service quality, consistency and reliability for commercial and government infrastructure owners and vessel operators.
I bring 50 years experience in pole driving, marine construction, marine engineering, salvage and pole works.
Through the alliance, clients will benefit from industry-leading quality standards and assurance processes, enhanced technical and compliance support, and increased capacity for planned and reactive works. Both organisations emphasised that the partnership is underpinned by a mutual focus on safety and quality management systems, skilled personnel, and a continuous improvement mindset, ensuring deliverables and environmentally responsible marine solutions.
Quality's always been at the core of Todkill's Marine Services. Partnering with the Yard Brisbane allows us to offer more integrated solutions while maintaining our responsive services. Angie and I are very excited to form this partnership.
A shared commitment to safety and quality, sustainable and improved infrastructure delivery. The alliance is effective immediately, with joint service offerings now available to commercial, defence support, port and government clients operating in Australian waters.